This is how to create a checkbox tracker in Excel that has a strike through in the done as you check the checkboxes. First, we need to insert the checkboxes. So go up to Developer tab, Insert, and then draw it in. And then we're going to click inside and delete all of the text. Then let's right click and move this in place. And we need to right click again because every single one of these has to be linked. So we're going to link it to the cell that it's in and hit 3D shading and repeat that step for all of them. Now, as you click it, you see a true and a false. So our formula is this if statement. Go ahead and pause that so that if it's true, it's done. If it's not true, it's in progress. And then let's change this font color to white so you don't see true and false anymore. As we test it out, it's working very well. Next is conditional formatting. So let's select those cells and go up to New Rule. The first one is going to be for done. So when it equals D2 equals in double quotes done, we need to go to Format, and then we're going to change the color and we're going to add the strike through. So let's go with a lighter green and then go to Font for the strike through, and you can see it in the preview window. Hit OK. And now let's do a second rule. The next rule is for the red. So we're going to go again to the same area and then equals D2 equals in progress. And then you can choose whatever color you like, but we'll go to the fill and let's go with a red, and we can hit more colors if you want it to be a little bit less bright. Hit OK. Let's test it out, check them off as done.